Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can rearrange tabs in Samsung Music on the Galaxy S21 series. Now at the top here are a list of tabs. You can rearrange them in the different order that you like. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen and tap on Samsung Music. In Samsung Music, tap on the More button at the top and tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Manage Tabs. Now you can see the first tab will be Spotify, so you can change them to say last option, and if you like you can move tracks to the top or favorites at the top and then tracks is next, and then you can have albums next after that. So you just touch and hold on the double arrow on the right hand side. So you touch and hold and then you move the items up or down in the list. And so now we have favorites, tracks, albums, playlists, and so on. Now if I go back to my Samsung Music home screen, you can see now it has been rearranged as favorites first, then tracks second, albums, playlists, genres, and so on. And that's it. That's how you can rearrange your tabs in Samsung Music. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.